Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Studio crashing fatal error. Invalid string position crash solution guide. Fix 1. Delete corrupted configuration files. Completely close Bambu Studio, then press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Now type %appdata% and press Enter. Then locate the Bambu Studio folder and delete it. Reopen Bambu Studio. The software will automatically create a new configuration folder and prompt you to select your region and printer model, just like a fresh installation. Fix 2. Disable NVIDIA threaded optimization. Open NVIDIA control panel, then go to Manage 3D settings, then go to Program settings. Now select Bambu Studio from the application list. If it isn't listed, click Add and browse to the Bambu Studio executable. Find threaded optimization and set it to off. Now click Apply, then restart Bambu Studio and try slicing your model again. Fix 3. Perform a clean reinstallation. Uninstall Bambu Studio from Control Panel or Settings, then going to Apps. Now during the uninstallation process, select Remove User Data if the option is available. Then press Windows plus R and type %appdata% and delete the Bambu Studio folder if it still exists. Now press Windows plus R again and type %local app data% and delete any remaining Bambu Studio or Bambu Lab folders. Download and install the latest version of Bambu Studio from the official Bambu Lab website, then launch the application and complete the initial setup. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.